Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, my name is Shelly Gonzalez. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching and I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial.
I know you want it, tell me you want it. No, yeah, tell me no. I know you want it, tell me you want it. I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I can trust this feeling.
First, I added some dots of the matte Poreless Fit Me foundation shade 105 on my face.
That I need you. I want your body till the very last drop.
Then I added some dots of the matte Poreless Fit Me foundation shade 122 on the sections you would usually contour on.
And who can love you like me? Who can sex you like me?
With an oval foundation brush, blend all of the foundation together.
Nobody, baby. And who can do it like me? Who can give you what you need? Who can do you all night long? Nobody, baby.
Using the CoverGirl Healthy Cream Concealer, conceal your under eyes, chin, forehead, etc.
So come here, baby, and let me do it to you. Don't be afraid, 'cause I won't bite. I promise to give it to you just the way you like. And who can love you like me?
Wet your blending brush with the Revlon Brush and Sponge Daily Cleanser. And once you wet it, tap down your foundation and concealer.
Nobody, baby, and who can treat you like me? Who can give you what you need? And who can do you all night long? Nobody, baby, and the band keeps playing on and on.
Bronze your face with the bronzer by Beauty Balm.
On and on. Nobody, baby.
Come on.
On and on. On and on. On and on. Nobody, baby.
Bake your face with the Airspun Translucent Powder.
Yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do.
If you need a laugh, I'll be right there. I'll be right there, baby. If you can really hug it.
Oh, yes, I will.
Oh, yes, I will. Oh, yes, I will, baby. And who can love you like me, baby? Who can sex your body like me, baby?
Like
Who can do it like me, baby? No, 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 no. Who can lay you down just like me? Who can kiss you all over your body, baby? Hush, ludicrous.
Yeah, man. Once again, this song. You know we had to do it again, right?
We had to do it again, boy. I want you to sing to these ladies, man.
So I'm on first. Let's get it. Baby, how you doing? Hope that you're fine when I know what you got in mind tonight. Got me feeling like Jodeci, girl, I can't leave you.
Put some blush on using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio.
Even got way too crowded. I'm about calling it a night.
Highlight your face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit.
Pull off peep peep shotgun in the GT with me. She said, oh, I'm ready to ride. I was like, yeah. Cause once you get inside, you can't change your mind. Don't mean to sound impatient, but you gotta promise, baby. Oh, tell me again, my baby. Oh, I gotta know, baby.
Dip into the brown shade of the Moroccan Sunset BH Cosmetics palette and place it on your outer corner, and then blend it towards the top of your crease.
Oh, it's a good look, baby.
Really good look, baby. Look here. Sometime wanna be your lover, sometime wanna be your friend, sometime wanna hug you, hold hands, slow dance while the rest
Repeat the same step for your second eye.
feel so comfortable. Used to play back then, now you all grown up like Rudy Huxtable. I could be
Conceal your eyelid with the CoverGirl concealer.
I do anything just to feel your bug. Why you got me so messed up? I don't know, but you gotta stop tripping. Be a good girl now, turn around and get these whipping. You know you like it like that. You don't have to fight back. Here's a pillow, bite that. And I'll be setting separate plays, so on all these separate days, your legs can go they separate ways.
Tell me again, my baby. Oh, it's a good look, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Repeat the same step for your second eye. Dip into the silver shimmer of the Moroccan Sunset BH Cosmetics palette and place it on your eyelid on top of your concealer.
Baby, I just don't
Repeat the same step for your second eye.
enjoy being hurt. I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies.
Dip into the dark brown color of the Moroccan Sunset BH Cosmetics palette and place it on your outer corner. Then blend it towards the top of your crease. Repeat the same step for your second eye. Dip into the silver shimmer of the Moroccan Sunset BH Cosmetics palette and place it on your eyebrow bone and inner corner.
You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love.
Place the dark orange color of the BH Cosmetics palette on your bottom lash line.
Your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows.
I have eyelash extensions on, so I brushed them out. But if you don't, just put on some fake eyelashes.
You never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things.
This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that like button and comment some new looks that you guys would want me to do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!